Welcome to our in-depth guide on starting a three-top profitable business in Africa. In this video, we will talk about brick making, mango juice process, and potato processing business in Africa. Our boss, Mr. Jami Kakona, can help you start your own semi-industry business in your home country. Contact us for any questions. Check our number below from this video description. With rapid urbanization and infrastructure development across the continent, the demand for construction materials is booming. Today, we'll explore how you can tap into this growing market. By starting your own brick-making business, bricks have been a fundamental building material for centuries. While traditional brick-making methods are still in use, modern technology offers more efficient and scalable solutions. In this video, we'll cover everything from brick making to marketing strategies that will help you succeed in this competitive industry. If you're interested in learning how to start and grow a profitable brick making business, stay tuned. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into the world of business in Africa. Africa's population is growing rapidly, with more people moving to urban areas every day. This urbanization trend is driving the demand for new housing, schools, hospitals, and other infrastructure, all of which require a steady supply of building materials like bricks. We spoke to industry experts who highlighted the critical role of bricks in the construction sector. They emphasized that the quality, durability, and affordability of bricks make them a preferred choice for builders across the continent. Whether it's residential buildings, commercial complexes, or industrial facilities, bricks are a versatile and essential component of construction. This widespread use presents a significant opportunity for entrepreneurs looking to enter the brick-making business. Let's dive into the brick-making process, starting with the raw materials. The primary materials used in brick-making include clay, sand, cement, and water. The availability of these materials in Africa makes brick production a viable and sustainable business option. There are various types of bricks you can produce, depending on the raw materials and production methods. Common types include clay bricks, cement bricks, and interlocking bricks. Each type has its advantages and applications. To produce bricks efficiently, you'll need the right machinery. Semi-automatic machines are ideal for small to medium-scale operations, while fully automatic machines are better suited for large-scale production. These machines automate key processes like mixing, molding, and curing, ensuring consistent quality and high output. The brick-making process typically involves 4 main steps: mixing, molding, drying, and curing. First, the raw materials are mixed to form a homogeneous mixture. Then the mixture is molded into bricks using specialized machines. After molding, the bricks are dried to remove moisture, followed by curing to harden them and improve their strength. Setting up your brick-making facility is a critical step in launching your business. The layout should be designed for efficiency, with dedicated areas for raw material storage, production lines, and loading zones. Proper planning will streamline operations and minimize production bottlenecks. To attract large orders, consider offering bulk discounts and flexible payment terms. This can incentivize contractors to choose your bricks over competitors' products. Providing excellent customer service will help you retain clients and secure repeat business. Forming strategic partnerships with construction firms and securing government contracts can provide a steady stream of business. Government infrastructure projects, in particular, often require large quantities of bricks, offering substantial revenue opportunities for your business. Starting a profitable mango juice processing business in Africa. Mangoes are one of Africa's most abundant and delicious fruits, with the potential to be transformed into a high-demand product: mango juice. In this video, we'll explore the entire process, from sourcing the best mangoes to marketing your juice to a growing consumer base. Mangoes are not just a seasonal delight. They are a valuable raw material that can be turned into a profitable business. With the right machinery and strategies, you can create a thriving mango juice business that serves both local and international markets. If you're passionate about entrepreneurship and looking for a sustainable business idea, Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into the world of business in Africa. Africa is one of the largest producers of mangoes globally, with millions of tons harvested each year. However, much of this harvest is consumed fresh or wasted due to a lack of processing facilities. This presents a golden opportunity for entrepreneurs to capitalize on the growing demand for fruit juices, both locally and internationally. We spoke to industry experts who highlighted the increasing preference for natural and healthy beverages. Mango juice, with its rich flavor and nutritional benefits, is perfectly positioned to meet this demand. Washing. First, the mangoes are thoroughly washed to remove dirt and pesticides. A mango washer is used to clean the fruits before processing, peeling and destoning. Next, the mangoes are peeled and destoned. Semi-automatic machines can peel and remove stones efficiently, ensuring minimal waste. Pulping. The peeled mangoes are then pulped to extract the juice and pulp. A mango pulper machine separates the pulp from the fibers and seeds, producing a smooth juice base. Pasteurization. Pasteurization is a critical step to ensure the juice is safe for consumption. It involves heating the juice to kill any harmful bacteria, extending its shelf life. Filling and packaging. Finally, the juice is filled into bottles or cartons using filling machines. These machines can handle various packaging formats, ensuring the juice remains fresh and appealing to consumers. In a competitive market, effective branding is crucial. Create a strong brand identity that reflects the quality, freshness, and natural appeal of your mango juice. Your brand should resonate with health-conscious consumers and stand out on store shelves. Consider diversifying your product offerings to cater to different consumer preferences. You can create mango juice blends with other fruits, offer organic options, or introduce new flavors to keep your brand fresh and exciting. Effective financial management is critical to the success of your mango juice business. Set your prices strategically to ensure profitability while remaining competitive. Consider factors such as production costs, market demand, and competitor pricing. Regularly review your potatoes are one of the most versatile and widely consumed foods across the continent, making them an excellent raw material for a profitable business. In this video, we'll explore how you can turn simple potatoes into a range of high-demand products through cutting and processing. Potatoes are a staple in many African diets, but their potential goes far beyond the fresh market. By investing in processing technology, you can add value to this humble crop and meet the growing demand for convenient, ready-to-cook, and ready-to-eat potato products. Experts in the food industry highlight the growing preference for processed potato products, driven by urbanization and changing dietary habits. This shift presents a significant opportunity for entrepreneurs to tap into this expanding market. Whether it's frozen fries in supermarkets or freshly cut fries at roadside vendors, processed potato products are becoming increasingly popular. This trend underscores the potential for a thriving potato processing business in Africa. Washing. First, the potatoes are thoroughly washed to remove dirt and impurities. A potato washer is used to clean the potatoes before they move on to the next stage. Peeling. Next, the potatoes are peeled using a semi-automatic peeler. This machine ensures minimal waste while preparing the potatoes for cutting. Cutting. The peeled potatoes are then cut into the desired shapes, such as fries, wedges, or slices, using a potato cutter. These machines can be adjusted to produce different cuts, depending on market demand. Blanching. For products like frozen fries, blanching is an essential step. The cut potatoes are briefly boiled to deactivate enzymes and improve their texture and color during freezing and cooking. Drying. After blanching, the potatoes are dried to remove excess moisture, preparing them for freezing or further processing. Your processing facility will be equipped with semi-industrial machines that handle each step of the potato processing journey. These machines are designed to maximize efficiency and produce consistent, high-quality products, whether you're making fries, chips, or other cut potato products. Semi-automatic packaging machines offer a reliable and cost-effective solution for small to medium-scale operations. These machines can handle different packaging formats, ensuring that your products are properly sealed and labeled before they reach the market. For products like frozen fries, proper storage is crucial to maintaining quality. Invest in cold storage facilities to keep your products at the optimal temperature until they are ready for distribution. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for more insights into the world of food processing in Africa. See you in the next video.